Effortlessly whip up perfect pancakes every time with our selection of the best pancake batter dispensers. Say goodbye to messy pours and uneven portions. Our dispensers are designed for precision, ensuring consistent batter distribution for evenly cooked golden pancake. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best pancake batter dispensers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which kitchen utensils and gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Stirlex Pancake Batter Dispenser, ranked as the number 5 best pancake batter dispensers on the market. Engineered for precision, this dispenser offers seamless control over batter flow, catering to both amateur cooks and seasoned professionals. Its generous 4-cup capacity, accompanied by clear measurement markings, guarantees efficient usage without any wastage, perfect for family breakfasts or gatherings of any size. Crafted with an ergonomic grip handle, this dispenser ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even amidst messy cooking sessions. Its easy-to-pull handle allows for precise control, simplifying your cooking experience. Built to last, the Stirlex Pancake Batter Dispenser boasts a reliable design crafted with precision engineering, promising durability and superior performance. Priced at a reasonable $23, it offers unbeatable value for those looking to elevate their baking game with confidence. Meet the MyLifeUNit Pancake Batter Dispenser, ranked as the number 4 best pancake batter dispenser. This versatile package includes a pancake batter dispenser with a stand, a grip handle, and 4 silicone mouths, offering convenience for a variety of culinary creations such as pancakes, crepes, muffins, cupcakes, takoyaki balls, waffles, and more. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this dispenser boasts durability, rust resistance, and easy cleaning, making it a long-lasting essential in any kitchen. The included 4 silicone mouths of varying sizes, along with the dispenser's own sizable mouth, ensure precise portioning. With a generous capacity of 5 cups and a user-friendly lever design, dispensing batter or sauces is a breeze, reducing hand fatigue and minimizing mess. What sets this dispenser apart is its thoughtful design features, including a removable and easily installable handle for portability and space-saving storage. Additionally, its sealed inner silicone plug prevents wasted batter, keeping your kitchen clean and saving you time. Priced at an affordable $29, the MyLifeUNit Pancake Batter Dispenser offers a cost-effective solution for both amateur and professional chefs alike, enhancing efficiency and precision in the kitchen. Discover the Dalup kid-friendly pancake batter dispenser, ranked as the number 3 best pancake batter dispenser. Elevate your breakfast game with perfectly round pancakes every time. This dispenser boasts imprinted measurements and an easy pull lever for precise portion control. Whether you're making pancakes, waffles, crepes, cupcakes, brownie bites, or more. Designed with kids in mind, this dispenser makes baking a joyous family activity. Its lightweight construction and user-friendly design empower children to join in the kitchen fun and develop new culinary skills. Bid farewell to messy countertops with this drip-free and mess-free dispenser. The fully opening valve ensures a consistent pour, while the wide mouth opening facilitates easy filling and effortless cleanup. Crafted from BPA-free materials, this durable dispenser exudes quality and reliability. Priced at just $18. Introducing the KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser, acclaimed as the number 2 best pancake batter dispenser on the market. Crafted with durability in mind, this dispenser boasts a reinforced handle, addressing concerns of breakage and ensuring longevity through countless baking sessions. With its efficient pouring mechanism, bid farewell to the hassle of transferring batter between bowls and cups. Save time and minimize cleanup as you pour the batter directly from the dispenser. Enjoy a mess-free baking experience thanks to its leak-proof design that prevents spills and ensures a seamless process. From liquid to thicker batters, this dispenser accommodates various consistencies with ease, making it versatile for muffins, pancakes, waffles, and more. Experience optimized batter dispensing with the improved spigot mechanism, ensuring every drop is utilized without waste. Priced at a modest $21, this kitchen essential offers both convenience and quality at an affordable rate. Say hello to the EgieMr stainless steel pancake batter dispenser, the ultimate solution for precision batter pouring in your kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this dispenser is built to last, ensuring years of reliable use. With a generous 20-ounce capacity, it's perfect for whipping up batches of pancakes, waffles, muffins, brownies, and even octopus balls with ease. Designed for effortless operation, our dispenser features a large opening and a silicone plug mouth, allowing you to smoothly flow out your batter with just a gentle press of the handle. The detachable handle adds convenience, easily installed and removed to save space in your kitchen. Versatile and practical, this dispenser is not limited to pancake batter alone. Its stainless steel funnel enables precise distribution of various ingredients like sauce, jam, gravy, and more, making it an ideal tool for filling pastries or decorating desserts. Equipped with a stable bracket, pouring batter into molds is a breeze, ensuring neat and controlled dispensing every time. And with the ability to adjust batter thickness by simply adding liquid, achieving perfect results has never been easier. Priced at just $19. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.